SST Telangana project by 8 थे केशव करण कृष्णवन कृष्टु नंदी and नेहा.
Heritage and culture of Telangana. Telangana heritage and culture. The culture of Telangana. Telangana, besides being India's youngest state, has a legacy of about 5,000 years. The state of Telangana is the representative of the Deccan Plateau and its heritage from times immemorial, from the royal Hindu kings or to the Nizams. Hyderabad has been flourished in every aspect to the fullest. Telangana state has long been a meeting place for diverse languages and cultures, and often called as South of North and North of South. It is also known for its Ganga Jamuna Tehzeeb and the capital of Hyderabad as a miniature India. The Telangana culture is a mixture of Telugu tradition and Persian tradition from the Mughals and Nizams. Languages. About 76% of the population of Telangana speak Telugu, 12% speak Urdu, 12% speak other languages. Before 1948, Urdu was the official languages of Hyderabad state, and due to the lack of Telugu languages educational institution, Urdu was the language of educated elite of Telangana. After 1948, once Hyderabad state joined the new Republic of India, Telugu became the language of the government, and as Telugu was introduced as the medium of instruction in school and colleges, the use of Urdu among non-Muslims decreased. Festivals. Festivals are celebrated with much fervor and peoples used to go to temples on these days to offer special prayers. Some of the festivals are Eid, Bakra Eid, Ugadi, Dashera, Makar Sankranti, Shri Ramanavami, Hanuman Jayanti, Rakhi Purnima, Vinayaka Chavati, Gagula Panchami, Krishnashtami, Deepavali, Guru Purnima, Kartik Purnima, Mukot Ekadashi.
Clothing. Telangana is the home to some of the finest historical making, fashion, and dyeing traditions of the world. Its rich cotton production, with its innovative plant dye extraction, history stand to next to it diamond mining. Traditional women wear sari in the most parts of the state. Langavoni, salwar kameez, and churidar is popular among the unmarried women. Some of the famous saris made in Telangana are Pochampalli sari, Godwal sari. Pochampalli saris have been popular since early 1800s. In 19th century, popularly with traders in the Silk Route, which symbolized luxury and power, found place in UNESCO tentative list of World Heritage Sites as part of iconic sari weaving clusters of India. Pochampalli sari revived intellectual property rights protection or geographical indication status in 2005.
Male clothing includes the traditional dhoti, also known as pancha. The Hyderabad sherwani was the dress of choice of the Nizam of Hyderabad and Hyderabad noblesse. The Hyderabad sherwani is longer than the normal sherwani, reaching below the knees. Sherwani is usually worn during the wedding ceremonies by the groom. A scarf called a dupatta is sometimes added to the sherwani.
Religion. The major religions of the people are Hinduism and Islam. Though Buddhism was the dominant religion up to the 6th century, it is the home of Mahayana Buddhism as revealed by the monuments of Nagarjuna Konda. Acharya Nagarjuna presided over the World University at Sri Pravata. Hinduism was divided in the time of the Chalukyas and Kakatiyas in the 12th century. The Vijayanagar rule saw the glorious days of Hinduism when the famed emperors Krishnadeva Raya, in particular, built new temples and beautified the old ones. Shiva, Vishnu, Hanuman, and Ganpati have been the popular Hindu gods. The Vugra Narasimha Swami temple at Yadagiri Gutta and Thousand Pillar Temple at Varangal are among the oldest shrines in the state, attracting people from different parts of the country for hundreds of years. Pilgrimages in Telangana. Yadagiri Gutta. Lord Vishnu, the main deity, is Lakshmi Narasimha Swami. Bhadrachalam Temple is a Lord Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami Temple in Bhadrachalam, Khammam district. Bhadrachalam, the name derived from Bhadragiri. Sri Raja Rajeshwara Temple, Vemuluvada, is a site of pilgrimage for both Hindu and Muslim worshippers, built by Cholakya kings between AD 750 and 975. The complex is named for its presiding deity, Sri Raja Rajeshwara Swami, an incarnation of Lord Shiva. Birla Mandir, Hyderabad, built on a 280 feet high hillock called Nubat Pahad on a 13 acres plot in Hyderabad. Basara. Ganana Saraswati Temple is located on the banks of the river Godavari in Adilabad district. Mecca Masjid is one of the oldest mosques in Hyderabad, Telangana in India, and it is one of the largest mosques in India. Medak Church at Medak in Telangana. India is the largest church in Telangana and has been the cathedral church of the Diocese of Medak on the Church of South India since 1947.
Performing arts. Perni Shivastam is an Asian dance from Telangana which has been revived in recent times. It originated and proposed in Telangana during the Kakatiya dynasty.
Music. Telangana has a diverse variation of music from Carnatic music to folk music. Kancherla Gopanna, properly known as Bhakt Ramadasu or Bhadra Ramadasu, was a 17th century Indian devotee of Rama and a composer of Carnatic music. He is one among the famous Vagya Akras in the Telugu language. The folk songs of Telangana had left a profound impact on the statehood movement as it played a significant role in the success of the Dhoom Dham, a cultural event that was a vital part of the agitations. Agyukatha. Agyukath is a traditional folklore singing, praising, and narrating the stories of Hindu gods Mallamma Birappa and Yellamma. It originated among the Yadav and Kuruma Gulla communities who devoted themselves to the singing of ballads in praise of Lord Shiva. also called Malajikaran. These tradition-loving and ritual-performing communities moves from place to place, narrating the stories of their caste gods. Augurs are the traditional priests of the Yadavs and perform the marriage of Mallamma with Brahmba. Ramoji Cinema. Telugu cinema, also known by its sobriquet as Tollywood, is a part of Indian cinema producing films in the Telugu language and is centered in the Hyderabad, Telangana neighborhood of Filmnagar. The industry holds the Guinness World Record for the largest film production facility in the world, Ramoji Film City. The Prasad's IMAX located in Hyderabad is one of the largest 3D IMAX screen and the most attended cinema screen in the world. As per the CBFC report of 2012, the industry is placed second in India in terms of film produced yearly. Visual arts, paintings. Nirmal paintings are a popular form of paintings done in Nirmal in Adilabad district. The paintings have golden hues. The region is well known for its Golconda and Hyderabad painting styles, which are branches of Deccani paintings.
Ramappa temple lies in a valley at Pampet village of Venkatapur Mandal in erstwhile Muluk Tuluk of Varnagal district, a tiny village long past its day of glory in the 13th and 14th centuries. An inscription in the temple dates it to the year 12,013 and said to have been built by General Rachela Rudra during the period of Kakatiya ruler Ganpati Deva. Architecture. The Thousand Pillar Temple is one of the very old temples of South India that was built by the Kakatiyas. It stands out to be a masterpiece and achieved major heights in terms of architecture skills by the ancient Kakatiya Vishwakarma Stapite. It is believed that the Thousand Pillar Temple was built by King Rudradev in 11,063 AD. The Thousand Pillar Temple is a specimen of Kakatiya style of architecture of the 12th century. Cultural sites. Telangana has many museums which depicts the culture of the erstwhile kingdoms of the state. The Salajang Museum is an art museum located on the southern bank of the Musi River in the city, Hyderabad, Telangana, India. It is one of the third national museums of India. The museum's collection was sourced from the property of Salarjung. Salajang Museum is the third largest museum in India, housing the biggest one-man collection of antique in the world. It is well known throughout India for its prize collection belonging to different civilizations dating back its very largest association to the 1st century. The other prominent museums are Nizam Museum, City Museum, Hyderabad and Birla Science Museum.